5 p.m. At 12:39 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Litchfield, or near Athens, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. This severe thunderstorm will be near Wyndham around 12:45 p.m. Lounsbury and Tioga Center around 12:50 p.m. Oswego and Little Meadows around 12:55 p.m. Appalachian and Tioga Terrace around 1 p.m. Vestal and Vestal Center around 1:05 p.m. Endicott, Endwell and West Corners around 1:10 p.m. Johnson City and National Weather Service Binghamton around 1:15 p.m. Binghamton around 1:20 p.m. A cold front will cross the region